What is the typical question that you ask yourself?
It's easy to think of that, Dan, in terms of my research life. And in that, I repeatedly tried to ask what hasn't been thought of, what questions haven't been answered in a fresh way. What can I do that's fresh? What can I do that's novel? Even if it leads nowhere, I like the idea of innovating. There's my solo tendency again.
And on the other side, what what were the questions that you were asking the others, your competitors, your colleagues, your peers?
I love the part of discovering what they're forgetting or overlooking, which is where I could have a little attempt at doing something else.